Greetings dear learners. I am faculty of mathematics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn a topic taken from grade 8 and the name of the chapter is linear equation of one variable. So let's start the video. Today we will cover following topics, that is definition of equation, formation of equation, and then finally we will talk about word problems. The objective of this chapter or this video is to make you understand that what is linear equation of one variable, how to solve the equations, and how we apply the problems involving length and distances. So in this video, first we will learn about equations. A mathematical statement that has two expressions separated by an equal sign is called equation. The expression on the left side of the equal sign has the same value as the expression on the right hand side. There are some examples, that is a plus 3 is equal to 5. LHS is having the same value, that is 5, and RHS is also the same value 5, but here a is the variable. Similarly, we have different examples. In all the examples we will find the unknown value. This is the aim of this chapter or the video, to make you understand that how the unknown values of the variable can be obtained. So if the equation contains two variables, then it will be a or b, and if the equation contains only one variable, it can be represented in terms of x, y, or something like that. Now linear equation. If the highest power of the variable in an equation is 1, it is said to be linear equation. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 5, 2x plus y is equal to 8. Here the highest power of this variable is 1. Now we have LHS and RHS. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. In LHS, 2x plus 3, x holds the maximum power as 1, and RHS it is a constant value. Now we need to learn that how the solution of such type of equation can be done. So here we have a table in which we have given with x plus y is equal to 12. Now values of these variables can be, these are the options and we need to find which would be the correct one. First is 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. So if we put a correct value, then we will get the desired equation, which will give you the value 12. Now any operation done on the left hand side of the equation must be done on the right hand side also, then it will be true. This is the basic rule to solve the equations. We cannot use a single value in left hand side and we cannot put the same value in RHS. So in both the side we need to do that. There is a method called transpose method, in which if we are moving the term which is in LHS to RHS, then we need to use the proper method. For example, if the number is in addition in LHS and when we keep it in the RHS, then we need to apply a negative sign. Sign changes while we transpose the things. Second rule is a number that divides a variable or a constant on one side, when transposed, multiples on the other side and vice versa. For example, x upon 5 is equal to 10. So when 5 transposed to RHS, it will be multiplied with the terms already present in the RHS. So it is x is equal to 50. And if it is in multiplication, after transposition it becomes in division while coming in the RHS. There are some simple examples of linear equation of one variable. For example, solve 3a minus 5 is equal to 16. Here 3a minus 5 is equal to 16. Now 5 will transpose to RHS and as it is having negative sign, it becomes positive in RHS. So we can write 3a is equal to 16 plus 5, that is 21. So a is equal to 21 upon 3 and the value will be 7. So this is the way by which we can transpose the thing to get the desired value of the variable. Now equation with variable on both sides. So here in this example, solve x minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5x. Here x minus 3, LHS having variable and RHS also having variable. So we will use the same method of transposition in which we will keep variable at one side and constant at another side. So x minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 5x. So it will be x minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 5. 4x in negative minus 3 is equal to 5. So minus 4 is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 4x is equal to 8, and x will be equal to 8 upon minus 4. So it will give you x is equal to minus 2. This is the simple way to solve this type of equation. LHS is equal to minus 2 into minus 3, so it will give the value minus 5, and RHS is also having minus 5 minus 10, so it will be minus 5. So it will be equal, LHS will be equal to RHS. So this is the way by which we can solve the question in which both the side we are having variables. Now there are some complex problems we need to learn. So here the expression is a upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to a upon 2 minus 2 upon 5. So we will use the same concept. A upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to a upon 2 minus 2 upon 5. So next step will be, we need to take the LCM both the sides. So 4 3 LCM is 12 and 2 and 5 LCM is 10. So we will use the fraction additional method. 4a plus 3 is equal to 12 and 5a minus 4 upon 10. So now we will do the cross multiplication. We will get 10 multiplied by 4a plus 3 is equal to 12, 5a minus 4. Now in the next step we are having 4a plus 30 is equal to 60a minus 48. Now we will just keep the variables one side and constant another side. 40a minus 60a is equal to minus 48 minus 30. So this is done by transposition. So we need to write at the side of the paper or where the expression you have kept. So in LHS we are having minus 20a, and RHS after addition of minus 48 and minus 30 we are getting minus 78. So a will be equal to minus 78 upon minus 20, and the result will be 39 upon 10. So it is better to reduce the expression into simplest form. Now we can check the solution by keeping the value of a in LHS and RHS where a is present. So 40 into 39 upon 10 plus 30 is equal to 60 into 39 upon 10 minus 48. In both the case you will get the same values, that is 31 upon 20. That proves that in LHS, RHS both the values are same. So this is the solution of our complex equation in linear equation of one variable. So that was the first part of the video of linear equation of one variable. Thank you so much. Just do like, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bless your kids.